Hi, very good morning. Welcome to Thinkers Tonic German class. My name is Zishan, and today I'm going to teach you the basics of German. And this after this video, I will upload the next video and then the next video. So in series, around 40 to 50 lectures will be there that will complete the syllabus of A1. So after around 50 to 60 lectures, you guys can have your even exam also in the next upcoming sessions after going through all the grammar, going through the revision practice and all. We will proceed towards some exam test preparation and all. So this is just first session, and the next lecture could be uploaded very soon, so you need to check the videos in the channel. Okay, so thank you so much. uh, Let me proceed. This is lesson 1, Lektion 1. So in this lesson 1, I will be covering alphabets and its pronunciation. And the second thing, I would be covering umlauts and vocabs. Vocabs would be like basically vocabs would be based upon some vocabs would be like that would be from the alphabets, because when we go through alphabets, we will pronounce we will learn some of its pronunciation, like E, I, like this. Okay, pe, be, say, like this. So after learning the pronunciation, we will try to have some vocab also based on the same pronunciation that we learn. We will try to pronounce the vocabs also. And umlauts, like what is umlauts in German language, right? We will go through that, and we will also check some of the words related to umlauts, right? So let me proceed. So this is complete German alphabets. So in German language, as English, it has like 26 alphabets, and in addition to that 26 alphabets, there are four special alphabets, that is A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlauts, and SS. That's I will show in the next slides. Okay, so in total, in German language, we have 30 alphabets. Okay, so let us go through the pronunciation of these German alphabets, because pronunciation matters a lot. And if we skip this portion, so when we will read any content, we cannot get the meaning, right? We cannot get the right pronunciation. Meaning is separate thing. We cannot get the right pronunciation, right? So similarly, if it is I have written in the bracket how it is pronounced. Okay, be, say, day. Okay, so let us for the sake of convenience, I have put it a sound here so that you can repeat after that.
A, B, C, D,
Day,
E,
A,
F,
F,
G,
G,
H,
H,
I,
E,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
L,
S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
V,
V,
W,
V,
X,
X,
Y, Z.
Epsilon, Z. So if you focus, you will find L, M, N, O. It is same like English, right? In English, as we used to have the pronunciation of these letters, it is same like English. L, M, N, O, right? This pronunciation. Okay, so hope this pronunciation part is very clear. In English it is V, here it is foul. Okay, X, it is X. Okay, Y in English it is epsilon. Okay, it's it's not that much difficult. It's quite easy, right? So let me proceed to the next slides, where we will come to pronounce some of the vocabs based upon these German alphabets, like the pronunciation we have learned over here, right? So this is like I, E in English. In German it would be pronounced as E. Okay, so it is going to be Mieten, okay? It is going to be fliegen, okay? It is going to be lead, okay? So because IE, it is pronounced in German as E. So mieten, mieten means to rent. Fliegen means to fly. Lead means song, right? Similarly, in English, it is EI. In German, it is read as I. So it is Reifen. Reifen means tire. It's I means eggs. Rice means rice, normal rice. Okay. Similarly, au, u, kaufen. Okay. Kaufen means to buy. Sauber, clean. Auto, the car. Auto means car. Okay. Similarly, lich, ehrlich, ehrlich, list, and lich. Okay. It is spielen. Spielen means to play. Spielen means to play. It is verb. It is conjugated. Later on, I will teach you what is conjugation. Play. Okay. This sound sch. Okay. Schlafen. Schlafen means to sleep. Fleisch. Fleisch means to meat. Okay. We will also cover uh, some of the pronunciation in next slides. Let us proceed towards umlauts. What actually umlauts is. So in German umlaut pronunciation, in German language, there are three umlauts like a umlaut, o umlaut, and u umlaut, right? Three umlauts are there. So 26 letters plus three umlauts is equal to 29, and then like double S. This is S, SS. Okay, we read it est like this. So pronounced as a umlaut. Mix the sound like this is how you can learn to pronounce these letters, right? A umlaut, o umlaut, and U umlaut. You might be thinking why umlauts are there in German language. So umlauts are the words, are the letters when introduced in the sentence or when you introduced in the words, it changes its meaning. Sometimes umlauts make a singular noun to plural noun, right? So accordingly, it has an effect in its language, right? Umlaut, a umlaut. Many words would be find you would be finding many words, many vocabs in German where without umlaut, it is singular noun. After umlaut, it is plural noun, right? So in this way, umlaut has the effect or umlaut is used in the German language, right? Similarly, o umlaut is equivalent to a, e, okay, a. So you can see here, if a umlaut, even if you can write a umlaut, it's okay. Otherwise, if you write, let me change the color. If you write this one, this is also okay. If you write O umlaut in the place of O umlaut, if you write OE, it is okay. In the place of U umlaut, if you write UE, it is also okay, right? So U umlaut is equal to UE, O umlaut is equal to OE, and A umlaut is equal to AE. Okay, all right. Now let us listen to the sounds how these umlauts are pronounced. Okay.
Die Umlaute Ä,
A,
Ö,
U,
Ü.
U. Once again.
Die Umlaute Ä,
A,
Ö,
U,
Ü.
U. Okay. You can follow the pattern like as it is said in the sentence. Similarly, if you just see this and you listen the sound, it has both has the same parallel. Okay.
Die Umlaute
The umlaut
Ä,
a,
Ö,
u,
Ü.
u. Okay. So now it's clear. Just last time.
Die Umlaute Ä, Ö, Ü.
I hope it's clear, right? Now let me proceed to the last slides. So some of the words that where umlauts has been used, you can see here, like you can see it is Mädchen. Okay, Mädchen. You can see the a umlaut is there. Mädchen means girl, right? Similarly, water. Okay, this is means words. Okay, there is one another word. It is called Wasser. Wasser means water. Okay, it is Wasser. Okay, it is Wasser. Wasser means water. That is liquid in form. In Hindi, it's called pani, right? So it's words. I'm just trying to show you the umlauts, how umlauts has been used, right? Similarly, your fen to pen, hören to hear. Umlaut, you can see umlaut, okay? Übung, exercise, right? The another letter that we saw in the alphabet, that was this is equal to, double S, okay? This is equal to double S, okay? So Straße means street, right? So that is also there, like made with this, using this letter. Now let us check the some of its pronunciation in German dictionary, right? I will check if it works here. Otherwise, I will give you the link in the description so that you guys can check out this site and then put the words you want to check the pronunciation. That will give you the pronunciation, right? Many of you might be knowing this website also before. Okay, after the recording, I will give you this in the description section, right? So this is all about the today's session, okay? What we have covered, we